cruising right now. Whee! All right, time for another Griff's Outdoor Forge where I'm not an expert and everything's outside. Ah, elephant! Today we are at Lakewood Grove in Wauconda. This is a 3,000 acre forest preserve with I think it's a 70 acre bog. That's, I believe it's a national landmark. This one's been around since 1968. Let's take a peek. Is that a grass path? Delicious. Okay, in terms of rating this one, yes, I'm going to start rating forest preserves. Some people like to score pizza. I'm going to score forest preserves. In terms of should you drive 2 hours to get here, is it worth it? Yeah, 100%. This is a 9.2. 9.2. I think the total loop with the two trails is 7 miles. You can do a 4.5 and like a 3, 2.5 or 3. 100%.